dear niece. I'm gonna miss you so much. But I live right down the block. I know. But now I can't scratch each other's mosquito bites.
Hey, guys. Hey, Michelle, have you said goodbye to all your chickadee bunkmates?
Not yet. There's still just one more. Goodbye, Gilbert. I'd write you every day, but you just eat the paper.
I know how you feel, kid. I made a few good friends myself this summer. David, Billy, Sean, Greg. Good thing I played hard to get.
Okay, girls, attention. Lights out in 5 minutes. It's very important to get plenty of sleep last night at camp.
So we won't be tired tomorrow?
So us counselors can party tonight.
All right. Speed it up, you little twerpsicles. Better get back to your cabin, Blondie. Isn't it past your bedtime, too? You know, Kimmy, you could use a little beauty rest yourself. About a year should bring you up to a yuck.
Male counselor entering chickadee bunk.
Hi, Steve.
Hey.
DJ, your husband's here.
He's not my husband.
Not yet. Ooh. Steve, it's the last night, and you promised to tell us that story about that maniac guy.
Well, I don't know, guys. It's pretty scary. You should probably all go to the bathroom first.
No!
Okay, all right, I'll tell it. It was a dark and stormy night. Old man Cropsey looked out the window and saw a bulldozer bearing down on his cabin. Oh, no! He ran down to stop it, but his foot got caught in the broken floorboard. The thunder was so loud that nobody could hear Cropsey scream. Ah! That bulldozer buried him alive under a pile of rubble and mud. You know what they built right where Cropsey's cabin was? This camp. So now, whenever it rains, out of the slimy sludge it comes, just looking for scared little campers. Half man, half mud. The Cropsey Maniac! Gee, I hope I didn't scare anybody.
Not me. I was just looking for a sock.